From humble street food to royal feasts, the journey of your favorite meals is more incredible than you know. This is the history of the dish.
Japanese tempura. Tempura, one of Japan's most iconic dishes, consists of lightly battered and deep-fried seafood and vegetables. Despite its strong association with Japanese cuisine, its origins trace back to foreign influence. Tempura was introduced to Japan in the mid-16th century by Portuguese missionaries and traders who arrived in Nagasaki during the Nanban, Southern Barbarian, trade period. The Portuguese had a cooking method called peixinhos da horta, little fish of the garden, which involved frying green beans in batter. The Japanese adapted this technique, incorporating local ingredients like shrimp, fish, and seasonal vegetables. The name tempura may derive from the Latin tempura, referring to the Ember Days, quattuor tempora, when Catholics abstained from meat and ate fried fish and vegetables instead. Another theory suggests it comes from the Portuguese temperar, to cook or to season. By the Edo period, 1603 to 1868, tempura became a popular street food in Edo, modern-day Tokyo. Vendors sold it at food stalls, yatai, as a quick, affordable snack. Originally, tempura was fried in sesame oil and served with a light dipping sauce, tensuyu made from dashi, soy sauce, and mirin. Unlike today's refined versions, early tempura was considered a casual, working-class food. The batter was thicker, and ingredients were often fried in large batches. Over time, chefs refined the technique, creating the light, crispy tempura known today. In the late 19th and early 20th centuries, tempura transitioned from street food to high-end cuisine. Specialized tempura restaurants emerged, offering an omakase-style dining experience where chefs fried ingredients one by one for optimal crispiness. Today, tempura is enjoyed in various ways. Ten-dan tempura rice bowl, ten-zaru soba, tempura with cold soba noodles, ebi tempura, shrimp tempura, the most popular variety. Tempura has influenced global cuisine, inspiring dishes like tempura sushi rolls and fusion recipes. Its light, airy texture sets it apart from other fried foods, making it a beloved part of Japanese culinary tradition. From its Portuguese roots to its evolution into a Japanese staple, tempura reflects Japan's ability to adapt foreign influences into something uniquely its own. Whether served as street food or haute cuisine, tempura remains a delicious symbol of Japan's culinary creativity.
The recipes for all of our dishes are linked in the description below. Like, subscribe, and click on the next video.